Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day. Glad you're with us today here at Ignorant Industries. We are looking today at something very different than what you've been seeing online today in this past year or so. Most of the stuff you're seeing are looking at making money online, affiliate marketing, and that kind of thing, which is great. I enjoy that kind of thing. But today, I have something very interesting for you, something very different. And if you think you're a know-it-all, this is the product for you. All right, so what we have here is a new product from an up-and-coming marketer from England, Jonny Rose, and he has created something called Blabbermouth Bucks. So I'm going to show you what it is, what it does, and what I really think about it. So we're going to scroll down here. What we have here is the fact that if you have a phone, you can make $100 an hour, no PC needed. Yes, that's what I said. You don't need to have a PC for this process, just your phone. All right, so how to make $100 an hour by talking on the phone. Yes, that is how it works. I'll give you more detail on it in just a moment. All right, so it's important to know that this bonus page, because I have my review here, but it also includes some custom bonuses that will work perfectly with Blabbermouth Bucks. So these expire in 2 days. So that's going to be on Monday morning at 10 a.m. on the 25th. So you want to grab these bonuses quickly. If you're ready to grab it, boom. Just hit that button right there. The video you're watching right now will end up here when it's finished. I hope you stay tuned to the end to see the finish. All right, so what is Blabbermouth Bucks? Well, I'm glad you asked. It is a detailed training in an offline lucrative business. What is it? It's original. It's like no training that you've seen before. It is profitable. Many people are making like $100 an hour or more. It will work during lockdown and after. So if you've already been opened up, it'll still work for you. It can be used by any human with a phone. Yes, any human with a phone. Oh, my dog heard me say that. He's not happy. Sorry, buddy. And the cat's, of course, just staring at me. It will help newbies make money quickly and ethically. And this is an important thing for me. I only support products and programs that I think are ethical and are a good idea for someone to try. All right, so all 13 of these videos are done by a seasoned user of this method. A guy named Jonny Rose I told you about. He's also a YouTube business star, LinkedIn trainer, an author, and an entrepreneur. You will learn to grow and thrive in this honest, legal, ethical, helpful system. So the sales video is here. You can take a look at what Jonny is saying here. It'll also be on the sales page. So what are the bonuses you get if you grab it through me? First one is how to make $100 a day on your smartphone. This is another method of using your phone to just make money. Here's a way to do it. Because this is such a different approach. It's something I haven't seen before. It's something brand new. Nothing like this in 2020 or 2019 that I remember. Second bonus, 5K publishing paydays. Learn how to take that knowledge you have. Remember I asked you about being a know-it-all? This is where it comes in. You can use some of that knowledge to get it published. Third bonus I want to offer you for free. Zero to profit with printables. Another way to earn money without being on the computer, trying to get leads and that kind of thing, creating printables. All right, so if you click the button here, you can secure your product, and these bonuses will be delivered directly to you. You won't have to ask me for help or to send them to you. Once you make your purchase on Warrior Plus, on the receipt page or the green button, which will take you to your purchase of Blabbermouth Bucks. And this blue button below will take you to my bonuses. You just click on that button right there, and you'll get those bonuses delivered to you immediately. All right, so keep on rocking. That's me. I am the Chief Ignoramus over at Ignorant Industries. All right, so let's take a look at what Jonny is offering here. Remember I talked about the product, and that's this. It's going for $8. Folks, between you and me, you'd be stupid not to grab this for $8. The value, and I'll show you why, the value in this is huge. And then the first upgrade, the first thing you can add to it is called the Work From Home Productivity Course for $27. The second upgrade is the Self-Improvement and Motivation Guide for $17. And then OTO 3, that is the one I highly suggest you grab. This will give you an hour on the phone with Jonny Rose for $97. One-on-one coaching to help you through this. If there's anywhere you get stuck, any problem you have, you will be coached by the guy who created this stuff. It usually charges $150 for this coaching. All right, let's take a look here at the sales page. And he says here, you can learn to make $100 to $150 an hour without breaking a sweat. All right, so he's real brief here. But what he says, you can read this. He has made Blabbermouth Bucks because of the situation the world is in right now. I know some people are opening up, but not everybody is. And he wants you to take action during this difficult time. He looks so serious there, doesn't he? Just messing with you, Jonny. All right. So here's some examples of how he's made money. Now, there's the key. You see the word clarity? That's what he's using. Clarity.fm. And you're thinking to yourself, why don't I just go to Clarity and create my own account? And I would say, hey, Jonny knows what he's doing. This is the best $8 coaching plan I've ever seen. And I'll explain why in a moment. So he shows you how he's made money on Clarity. And the idea here is you get the 13 model video course. Full step-by-step, over-the-shoulder training, all the resources you need to succeed. You don't need a website, a business, or even a social media presence. The traffic comes to you. There's no network marketing. There's no trading or other investment. You don't have to do the upsells to get the real value here. It's all built in to the $8 front end. But again, that upgrade that allows you to get some coaching from Jonny might be worth it for a lot of you, just to be able to better grow beyond your specific issues. Because, of course, Jonny can't deal with all the niches. All right, so you get some bonuses from Jonny, too. Not just my bonuses, but you get these bonuses. Personal transformation mastery, how to become a presentation powerhouse, and success rituals, how successful people achieve greatness. And these 3 trainings are included with your purchase from Jonny. So he says he's made thousands of dollars with this method. All right, so Blabbermouth Bucks. Let's take a look inside. Inside Blabbermouth Bucks, you see the training. And you'll see he goes through an introduction, and he starts off there. I ruined the surprise. It's clarity.fm. But Jonny knows his stuff. He takes you through step by step how to identify a profitable speaking niche. Gives you standards to look for, ideas on plans, things to lay out and make this happen so you can begin getting calls. Then he talks to you about creating your profile. This is what I thought was epic. Jonny takes you through step by step of his profile and the profile of other people who are doing well on clarity.fm. And he shows you why they are, and he shows you how you can do it. Shows you how to create that great successful profile. And then he talks about how to deal with the actual call. So what happens on Clarity is you get notified that someone wants to talk to you. You call in, and then you're connected to each other. And you share your knowledge, your expertise. He offers, of course, some upgrades, some bonuses, and special unannounced bonuses. Not going to spoil those. You'll have to get this to find out what they are. But I'll tell you how much this impacted me. Like I told you, I only support the stuff that I support because I think it works, because I think it's ethical, because I think it's honest, because I think it's legal. So, to be honest, I went to do this on Clarity. So here's clarity.fm. And what I discovered was about 3 years ago, I had tried to sign up for clarity.fm on my own. And I had applied. You see, when you go into Clarity, you're either a user or like an instructor, an expert, they call it. And I had been turned down as expert, I found out. So I thought, well, I know a little more here. I'm going to use Jonny's system. So I created a new account, and let me give you a picture here. Oh, before I go in, I just want to let you know, like most entrepreneurs, I don't do just one thing. I've got multiple, full-time careers. So in my other life, if you will, I'm a pastor. That's one of the reasons I look for ethical, honest, legal things. All right, so I created my account. Here I am. That's still me. Pastor, trainer, founder of Ignorant Pastors, and followed exactly the process that Jonny told me to do. Step by step, followed it exactly. And you know what I did? Let's look for my niche. I'm going to search for pastor. Let's see who comes up. Boom. Number 1 in sorting, in search. Talk about ranking. Number 1 in my niche. And look at the payment. $1 a minute. Now, I haven't received any calls yet. I just signed up. I just got approved this morning. But $1 a minute, that's $60 an hour. Jonny, you really got something here. Hey, folks, I am impressed with what Jonny has done here. As you look at my bonuses, and for $7.95, you can't go wrong on this. Seriously, jump on this. You will not regret it. On the Ignorant Industry scale, I give this a 4.5. Now you're thinking, why a 4.5? Because I said these are honest reviews. And Jonny, the one thing I would do differently next time is the quality of the video. The resolution is a little low. But the content, the audio, the information, top notch. I'd probably go a 4.9. How's that? 4.9. Great stuff. Highly recommend Blabbermouth Bucks. Pick it up today, $7.95. Click on one of these links, and you will not regret it. So this is Lou, Chief Ignoramus from ignorantindustries.com, signing off.